Hey, yo, what's up, everyone? It's me, Slammer the Great. I'm gonna be checking out, oh, wait. It's because of, I'm on my, like, double bunk bed, bro, to get down, so shit. See, like this, see, my bedroom layout. Uh, can't we just create new boundary? Okay, then, confirm. What? Okay, let's try. Oh, wait, let me try. I'm gonna be checking out a creepy baboon. See if it works. Creepy baboon. Where was it? Oh, here. Didn't see it. Create new boundary. Create new boundary. Yay. I'm upside down, guys. Wow. Something wrong? Yo, wait. Wait, what? What happened? Let me just, Oh, wait. Can't we just play, Scary Baboon or Animal Company? Let me retry. Maybe it's like, it's faulty. Oh, well. Bro, the AC. There we go. It's so faulty. Anyways. Oh, there we go. It's just like, yeah, it's a new update. I don't know. Laggy. Oh, since I already got ragdolling and snap turn on, see, I can just get this. So Bleaky is the. Oh, and wait, where'd it go? Wait, actually, where'd it go?
That's the secret part of the map. First, not gonna know about this. It's secret admin.
Yo, the wardrobe was like switched here now. So crazy. Anyways, if you don't know, I changed my outfit. I kept this pin. Yeah.
Help me, bro, help.
Oh wait, wrong button.
Help.
There we go.
Help me, bro.
Got some new stuff.
Wait, how do I check again? Yeah. I tried to What the?
Got some new stuff. Let's go. Oh wait, I think I should be recording this on my left camera.
Bro.